the next few minutes, I'm going to take your video quality from this to this. And no, you don't need to buy an expensive camera or next level lighting. So to make this kind of quality video, all I use is the following: an iPhone 13 Pro, softbox Ralleno, the cheapest tripod, and background lighting. Finally, I use color grading. I'll leave you the best 3 color grading lights for you to use. I'll give you links in the description. The first one is iPhone setting up. First thing first, we're going to set up our iPhone to make it from low quality garbage to shooting in the highest possible quality as an expensive camera. First one, formats, most compatible. Go to camera settings and turn most compatible. It saves your file in standard formats JPEG, H.264, making them easier to edit and use. So they make up more space than high efficiency formats. So most compatible more than high efficiency. The next one, Apple Pro RAW. It captures max details for editing, giving you full control over color, exposure, and adjustments. Adjustments is your LUTs, so if you want to experiment with your color grading more, you should turn on this feature. And perfect for pro level photo tweak. The next one, Apple ProRes. If you turn this on, it records high quality video with low compression and also great for color grading and detail edits, but be ready for big file size. And the next one, you should turn off HDR. It keeps brightness consistent and avoids editing headaches, especially if you're handling color grading yourself. What we're going to do is the last step. So we're gonna shoot at 4K and 60 FPS because it delivers sharp, smooth footage that looks pro and gives flexibility for slow motion and editing. Also better for a smoother zoom in and zoom out effect. The next one, we want to turn on the grid. It helps you nail the compression by aligning shots with the rule of thirds for balanced visuals. The next one, you're gonna set up level. It keeps your shots straight and clean, so you don't end up with tilted horizons. Shoot like this, or this is gonna be straight on the line. The second one is exporting. As Instagram supports only 1080p and 30 FPS, it doesn't matter if you upload your videos in 4K or even 8K. It will compress anyway and make it even worse. So as the export settings, you're gonna export for 1080p, 30 FPS, and recommend bitrate. The next one is lighting. To make your videos as high quality as possible, you should use this lighting setup. It includes 4 lights. Key light. The primary source of the light, it highlights the subject and sets your overall mood. I use this one. The next one is fill light, softens shadows created by the key light for a balanced, natural look. And the last one is backlight. It separates the subject from the background, adding depth and a 3-dimensional feel. The next one right after lighting is gonna be color grading. Have you wondered how people shoot videos like this and make it to this? It's all about color grading. This is my cinematic LUTs packs, which you can use for yourself. I will leave link in the description. An extra tip, voice enhancer. And the cherry on top, you should make it more polished by enhancing your voice and making it clearer. I use this website for every one of my videos, Adobe Podcast. To summarize it up, you need to shoot at 4K and 60 FPS, export in 1080p and 30 FPS, and Instagram supports only that. You're gonna use LUTs to make it more cinematic, and a cherry on top, you're gonna use Podcast Adobe to enhance your audio. So that's it for this module, and see you on the next one.